So let's get to it. First of all, we'll have to type in arduino.cc to get to the official website of Arduino. Here we can see all the Arduino products and all the projects that Arduino has to offer. These are some amazing projects like this infinity mirror and everything else. Then we can go to software, and yes, Arduino has some online tools with which we can online program our Arduino, but it is more convenient to do it by downloading the software, so we'll do that. Okay, so here you can see the Arduino web editor as well, which I was talking about earlier. Then download the latest version of Arduino IDE. I already have it downloaded, so I'll open it. Okay, so here we are in the magical world of Arduino. I'll give you a walkthrough. This is the void setup menu where we have to put our setup code, and this is the void loop menu where we have to put our main code to run repeatedly like it's stated here. This is the file option in which we can open a new file. We can open an existing sketch, open a recent sketch, like I have this Marlin sketch which is for the 3D printer. We have the sketchbook right here. Examples, like we have built-in examples for particular boards, and examples from custom libraries which we have already installed. So next we have the sketch tab. Here we have the verify and compile and upload option. We have these options here as well. This is the verify option and this is the upload option. These are more convenient to use. Yes, so here we'll get to this port options. We'll have to select our port on which our Arduino is connected, the processor, and the board option. In my case it is Arduino Uno. So you will have to make sure that the port is selected correctly, otherwise it won't upload. To make it sure, you go to get board information, and if you are getting the correct board information, there you go, you are done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for another one.